Hi, I'm Bruce McIsaac, Product Manager of Rational Method Composer, and this is a brief demo of the IBM DevOps practices. The DevOps practices website is a launch pad for the DevOps adoption framework. So in addition to the practices that we see here, we also see that it includes an introduction to DevOps and links to resources. So in addition to static links that we see on the left here to help you get started, we also see live feeds from our community and from our technical library. If you're interested in adopting DevOps, we also give an overview of our DevOps adoption model. This summarizes different adoption paths and the goals for moving to leaner and smarter practices. The guideline for adopting DevOps walks through a typical sequence of activities by which an organization adopts DevOps with help from IBM. For an accelerated approach to DevOps adoption, you may want to start with one of our out-of-the-box DevOps solutions, such as Agile ALM with Scrum or Shift Left. Agile ALM with Scrum, for example, is its own website, which is published on jazz.net. Browse the practices, including the standard Scrum roles, artifacts, and tasks, also including a rational team concert work process template and work item templates to actually help you perform Scrum on a project. We also have our Shift Left solution. DevOps solution for Shift Left focuses on shifting, integration testing, deployment, accepting tests, and feedback earlier in the life cycle. In other words, shifting it left. And it includes such practices as automated deployment, continuous integration, and virtualized services. We see, for example, guidance on how to plan automated deployments, execute them, and manage them. And similarly, we have guidance for creating virtual services, managing change, and testing with virtual services. Focus of this solution are the tools IBM Urban Code Deploy, Rational Test Virtualization Server, and Rational Test Workbench. This is just a starter set of practices that supports the solutions that we've described previously. The idea of the practices is that you can customize your own DevOps adoption approach, selecting and customizing from the available practices and mixing and matching with the broader IBM practices library that's included with Rational Method Composer. Here we see the IBM practices that ship with Rational Method Composer, including a number of enterprise practices, systems engineering practices, and software development practices addressing everything from architecture through testing. If you'd like to learn more, here are some links to the websites that we showed in the demo, as well as to our IBM DevOps community. Thank you.